Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashie E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this quick and easy protective style. So it's pretty much a braided cornrow hairstyle into a low bun. It's the summertime and I want to start incorporating a lot more protective styles on my channel. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. So as you guys can see, my hair is in a straight in state. I did a video testing whether or not my hair can become waterproof, and it actually got rained on. So these are the after effects after it got rained on. So I didn't want to wash my hair just yet, so I thought I'll just do a protective style. So I'm going to get started with my Shine in Jam, you guys, and I'm going to put this on my parts to ensure that my parts are super nice and crisp. I'm going to be doing a really small braid going down the center of my head, so that I can have 4 big braids and then 3 small braids in between the 4 big braids. So as you guys can see, I'm working on that middle part. I'm trying to get it really nice and crisp. Patience is definitely required for this part because you want to make sure that your parts are really nice and even. So now I'm just going to do a regular cornrow, and I'm going to do it from the top of my head all the way down to the bottom at the back. So now that I'm done with the middle cornrow, I'm going to split this section of my hair in 2. As you guys can see, I've already made that part. And then I'm also going to be doing a small part in between those 2 sections because I'm going to be making a mini braid in between these 2 big braids as well. Alright guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and I did the braid on the other side. So I have 3 small braids, and I went ahead and I just completed those first 2 big braids off camera. And now I'm just working on the last 2 big braids, and I'm just doing a regular cornrow to the back, you guys. If you guys would like to see me do stitch braids, definitely comment that down below and I'll do a tutorial on that. But yeah guys, you can also feed your hair in. Like if your hair isn't thick enough, you can feed the hair in, but for this style I wanted it to look as natural as possible. I wanted it to look like it was my hair, so I didn't want to add any additional hair to it or anything like that, and I really liked the flatness and how well it turned out. I also did want to add that I did combine the small braid into the big braid. As you guys can see in this section, the small braid and that big braid, I combined it into 1 braid. I also do want to mention as well that before I started braiding, I did apply Shine and Jam to the entire braided section so that it could give me like a really nice shine and also a really nice hold. It also helps me to braid a little bit easier. It's almost like hair grease, but you know, it has a really nice hold. Alright guys, so I am all done with the front section of my hair. As you guys can see, it's looking quite neat and I'm really liking it so far. But now it is time for me to work on the bun for the back section of my hair. So in order to do that, I'm going to be using Epic Prestretch Hair number 2. I bought this from the beauty supply store. And I'm just going to wrap this elastic band around my natural hair, you guys, just to use it as an anchor while I do 4 plaits with this braided hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much make 4 sections to do 4 plaits, and I'm also going to do 4 small sections because I want to take some hair out, like that hair right there. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna use my wand curl to create like a goddess look within the bun, as you guys will see as the video continues. So as you guys can see, I am done with the plaits. I have 4 plaits and 4 loose sections of hair. That will be what I'll use to wand curl and give my hair like a goddess look. So now that I am done with that, it is time to actually take this off, and I'm actually going to use a scrunchie just to give it a better anchor and a better hold. The elastic band was just a little bit too fragile for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna attach that to my natural hair, and then y'all, I'm just going to make a bun. It's really easy peasy. So I'm just going to make sure that's on nice and tight, and then I am going to separate the plaits from the loose hair, and then I am going to just ball it up and roll it into a bun. So now that my hair is all wrapped up, I'm just going to take some bobby pins, you guys, and make sure that my hair is nice and secure. So I used maybe about 3 or 4 bobby pins just to make sure it was nice and tight and nothing will come loose. So now that that is secure, I'm just going to go ahead and take my wand curler, you guys, and just curl all of those loose pieces in the back. So as you guys know, this is braiding hair, so it is not human hair, so it cannot take extremely high heat. So I did use 290 degrees Fahrenheit for my wand curler, and that was the perfect temperature. I did put it up to, I think, 300 or a little bit over 300, and it did burn a little bit, so I kept it at 290, and as I said, that was the perfect temperature to get these curls on and popping. So as you guys can see, the curls are just a little bit too long for my liking. So what I did was I took the curl and wrapped it around the base of the bun, and then I bobby pinned it right in the middle. And I did that with both sides or both strings of hair. I really didn't want to cut it because sometimes when you cut it, it just looks a little bit too blunt. So this way I was able to just wrap it, pin it, and then the curls fell super nicely on top of the bun. Alright guys, so I'm about to do my edges, so I'm going to be using the Arcani Coil Care Enthroned Edges. If you guys haven't seen the tutorial that I've done on this, I'll definitely link it above in the iCards so that you guys can check it out. So yeah, I'm just working on these edges, you guys, to make sure they look nice for the hairstyle, because I feel like with a style like this, you have to have like decent edges, you guys, so I was trying my best to get it together. So now I'm going in with the Shine and Jam mousse, you guys. I absolutely love this product. It was my first time using it, and I really feel like it set this style off, y'all. Like, my hair was so shiny, it was set in place. Like, I've been wearing this style now for a few days, still have it in, and my hair looked like I just did it. And I also really like these wraps that I use, you guys. Like, this is a game changer as well. Sometimes when I do like my edges and I use a scarf, the edges and the products will like stick to the scarf, but with this, you guys, I had zero problems. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know which protective style you guys would like to see me do next. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I do post multiple times per week, so turn on that bell so you don't miss an upload from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!